everyone, my name is Dr. Corrin Schreyer and I'm with Capital Chiropractic. Welcome to my home. Today I'm going to show you how to get a little bit more familiar with your foam roller for your thoracic spine. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to find a spot in your own home to be able to do this. Take a couple of seconds a day, a couple times a week to get some better mobility in your thoracic spine. So what is our thoracic spine? It is anything that has a rib on it, so it goes from about here to up here. Sometimes it can get achy, sometimes it can get stiff, especially if you spend a lot of time sitting all day, or if you're even really active. So this could apply to a lot of people. And I can show you how to utilize a foam roller to alleviate some of that discomfort. So let's go ahead and start with putting it at the bottom of your thoracic spine, which is about here, and lift your buns up and then use your feet to propel you to massage these tissues along your thoracic spine. Now this is really great for promoting healing, improving blood flow, getting some good relaxation of these muscles in here. And if you want to, you can even pick a spot in your thoracic spine if you want to get a little bit more mobility, and you can relax over your foam roller. Take a couple deep breaths here. And come on out of it. You can keep rolling. Now a little bit of discomfort with this is totally okay. And maybe if you find a spot that is a little bit more sore, you can kind of hang out there, try to release it a little bit. So again, a little bit of discomfort is totally okay with this. The more you do it, probably the less discomfort that you have. But if you're finding that this doesn't alleviate your thoracic issues, then you can always make an appointment at our clinic at Capital Chiropractic, and one of our clinicians can definitely do our best to help you out and give you some other tips. So today I've shown you how to get a little bit more familiar with your foam roller, and I'm Dr. Corrin Schreyer, and I'm signing off.